Okay, so in this example I will cover some of the common scalar functions, especially the string functions. So one common one is upper, and this converts all the characters to uppercase. An important thing to notice here is that it's important for string comparison, because in database sometimes the data itself can be said to be case sensitive. Another is concat, concatenating two string values. So we pass in string value 1, string value 2, or string value n, and this returns the string that is the result of concentrating two or more string values. Left, then we pass in our string that we want to work with, an integer, and this selects from the left part of the character with the specified numbers of characters. So from the left side, how many characters we want from this string. Right, exactly the same except from the right, so we send in the string or character expression, and then integer expression, which is how many items we want. Substring returns a part of the character. So we had to send the expression, the string, where we want to start and how many items we want to take. Car index searches an expression for another character. So this basically looks inside of the string for another character that we specify. So we send what we want to find, then we send the string that we want to search, and optionally start location. And then len returns the number of characters of the specified string expression, so it's how many characters that are there in an expression, string expression, excluding trailing blanks. So if there are any blanks in the back, length will take them out. So this could maybe be used instead of right trim. Well, for the length, but right trim would actually, if you're getting the thing, so no worries. So these are some of the common scalar functions, and I'm going to go ahead and run them in a SQL here real quick to demonstrate. So here's the upper, select upper name as product name from our product table. So everything is uppercased. Here's the concat, we're concatenating first name and a last name as full name from person table. Here's the full name results. Then here we have left, where we are taking putting in a product number and taking the first two characters as product type, and there's the product type first two characters. And here's the complex one that's kind of showing us a little bit of some complexities of how this can be done to extrapolate exactly what we need. So basically here we have a product number that is irregular in a sense that they can have first two characters dash 4 characters dash 2 more characters, but the last dash and last two characters may not be there. So here we'll use substring to select a part of our product number string. Then we use the car index and we pass the character that we want to start indexing from, and that's our dash, and by default it starts from the left, so we're looking for the first dash. It's going to stop at the first dash from the left. Again, product number, because this is its own function, so product number is the string that we want to extrapolate things from, and then we say +1 because we don't want the actual dash and we want the next 4 numbers. So this would select only the next 4 numbers if I run it, I believe, just by commenting the next one out. Because of the comma here, it should run out. So now we have model code that's extrapolated. And then finally we want a last two, and this is more complex because dash is missing here sometimes. So if we start saying car index, look for this from the right side and take 3 characters plus 2, but what if there's no dash? We would start at this one, at the first one, and it would be wrong. So that's why we are getting the length first. So if the length is alright, so if the length is shorter, like this, then the resulting index here, the middle, which is the index, or our start is going to be past the area that we need to select, so I won't select anything. So if we run this, we should get all 3. So if there's a model, if there's a size code, it will display here. We need to find some that have it. So here we go. So there's a size code, 1 or 2 digits or letter, it will display correctly. So that's some of the common string functions and how they're used.